Hello and welcome to this session wherein I'll be giving you a brief overview of different tools that are available which can be used to record your screen, record your presentations, record your lectures. And this is one of the means using which you can reach to people, and there are good number of tools available, and I'll be discussing very few of them. I'll be discussing about their sources, from where you can get that, and you can easily get the tutorials for that. And once you install those softwares if required, then in that case it's very easy to use. You have to simply, the method is same: the record button, webcam plus screen, and so on. Let's firstly see the list. Now, here is the list. The first tool that you can use for recording your screen, recording your presentations is FreeCam, which is available on. Let me directly go to the website, and that is FreeCam website, which is available over here. Then, similarly, you have free screen video recorder, which is available on this website, and the same is available for your understanding, available over here. You can download. Again, do remember one thing, that there are good number of softwares which are available for free, but you need to understand this, that there are very few softwares which are available for free. You can download it, but there are certain restrictions in some of the tools that are available for recording your videos or presentations or whatever it is. Then similarly, you have ShareX as the third tool, which can be used for downloading. Sorry, which can be used for recording your screen, recording your presentation, recording videos. These are very good tools which can be used. And similarly, let's see one more. This is one of the beautiful tools that you can have for recording your screen, recording your presentations. This is the Cam Studio. I would like to add something over here. What I'll do is I'll write something over here, and do remember, because I have mentioned over here this as Cam Studio. Now, do remember, this is a free tool. This comes under free and open source license, that is FOSS, that is free and open source software. And if you want to see, there is a good collection of softwares which are available for free, which for which you don't need to pay anything. But do remember, when you are using those softwares for your any activity, and if you are taking credit for that, then do remember that you have to give credit to those people whom have developed it. So therefore, I'll give you the basic web resource wherein you can get all those tools. I am writing SourceForge, sourceforge.net. Now, once I write sourceforge.net, you can see there are millions of softwares tools that are available, and you can select those tools based on your requirement. Let me suppose my requirement right now is that I need a screen recorder. Now, once I write I need a screen recorder, now you just see I am getting a very good number of screen recorders. And as you have seen, while I was searching, while I was trying to search, Cam Studio was also listed in that. And here it is. This is the Cam Studio. And if you want to download this Cam Studio, what you can do is you can simply go to the project, and there you can download it. So how easy, you just see ShareX is also displayed over here. So there are good number of softwares which are available freely, you don't need to pay for those come under copy left, not copyright. Do remember that we do purchase a software, and that do come under copyright. This is copy left. That's why we say this is a software which is under the domain of free and open source softwares. Therefore, Cam Studio, once you download it, once you use it, it's one of the beautiful tools that I have come across. It's very easy to use, and you can record your screens using Cam Studio. I have mentioned the name of the web address also. I have mentioned directly, and at the same time I have mentioned that sourceforge.net. is one of the resource wherein you can find good number of free and open source softwares. I'll give some more idea with respect to this. Let's suppose you need a statistical software. So what you will do is you will write just I'll take a second. You will write statistical software. Statistical software. So once you write statistical software, so you will get relevant softwares for this as well. You can say open source softwares, PSPP4 for Windows. This is a very good. If you have heard about SPSS, then this is PSPP4 for Windows. It's a very good software, and I can see this that this is freely available. Then you can have very good softwares. Like you might have heard about R also. If I say R software, then again you will get R will be displayed over here. A good number of options are available over here. R itself is displayed here. It is a R hash Saga GIS. So this list is the more I try to explore, the more I'll be sticking to it because it's having a good number of options. So therefore, you have what we have learned as of now. FreeCam is one of the tools. Screen video recorder is one of the tools. ShareX is one of the tools. Cam Studio is one more tool, and then one more tool that's available with us is Isvid. This Isvid, I'll close this and we'll go to Isvid. I'll close those tools which I have already discussed. So this is Isvid tool, wherein if you check out now, see the video is available over here. You can execute it. You can use it for recording your screen, and you can proceed further. Now let me again go to the file and see one more software that we are having, one more facility, one more tool we are having. That's iSpring Suite. So if I go to iSpring Suite, here it is iSpring Suite, wherein I can check how I can record a video using different softwares. Then if you wish to purchase it, you can go for pricing, and you can be able to use it. One very good option with this is that it can be integrated to your office also. Then you can try that in order to see what benefits you can get. Similarly, one more tool that's available with us, that is Camtasia. It's a very good tool, a wonderful tool. But the only problem with this is that once you download it, it's a trial version, and you need to purchase a licensed version for this. This is a very good software wherein you are having editing capabilities also, and Camtasia can be used for editing your videos, adding starting slides, ending slides, giving a professional touch to your videos. I think Camtasia can be one of the wonderful tools. Then similarly, we can have one more tool that's available with us, that is Wondershare. So this is from Filmora screen. This is available on filmora.wondershare.com, and the website, as you can see, is available over here. Then we have one more screen recorder over here that's known as Movavi. And the time you access this website, what I will suggest is, the time you access this website, do remember it will be displayed in a different language. Therefore, you need to click on this particular option over here. Now, once you click on this option, you need to select English in order to see it in English language. It might be that it will be displayed in Russian language or some other language, but this is also one of the very good tools. You might have heard about it. It is a very famous tool which we used to have in a decade ago. One of the best tools in order to record any video. One more screen recorder is My Screen Recorder Pro. You can see over here, free trial is available. You can purchase it for some amount also, depending on your requirement, whether you need it or not. So My Screen Recorder is also a very good option which you can use. Now, apart from that, I'll just now recap. Up to number 10, we have only seen the resources wherein we can get that tool, and we have seen that we have seen some different tools as well, and the method is same, the buttons are same, the process is same. Some tools have extra facilities, some tools don't have those extra facilities. Therefore, you can check what your requirements are, what do you need to record, and then accordingly you can decide what I need to go for. Then we have discussed one more tool, that's OBS Studio. My previous session was about OBS Studio. I did discuss about Screencastify. I did mention in one of the sessions about Screenomatic. Then one more tool which is available with us is Flashback, and this is the website for Flashback. It's also a very good product which works very well and records your screen, and based on your requirements it can help you to a to a better extent to understand your requirements, and second, it'll help you in catering to your requirements by developing content which can be shared with your students or which you can share with your colleagues. The main objective of this particular session was to give you an idea. It's not only one tool, or it's not only two or three or four tools that I have discussed as of now, which can help you in recording a particular session. Rather, there are a good number of tools available. What you need to see is that what are my requirements. Based on those requirements, you can test all those tools. Whatever tool you feel comfortable with, whatever tool you are feeling very comfortable in working in recording, then you can select that tools and you can carry on. The bottom line is that you need to record sessions so that you can share it with your colleagues in order to continue the process of sharing and caring. By sharing and caring, we are trying to learn, unlearn, and relearn. I hope that I have made my point by mentioning that it's not Camtasia, it's not Cam Studio, it's not OBS Studio. Rather, it is what is your requirement, what you are feeling comfortable with. So this was just an effort to conclude this, how we can record different presentations using ICT tools in order to communicate the message to the audience, and in order to focus on that whether the audience has whether the audience has received the idea that the speaker was thinking about. I hope that we are learning, and thanks a lot for your patient hearing. Thank you.